Hi everybody, this is Dr. Scott Timpanelli and welcome back to the Chiropractic Minutes. Maintenance prevents breakdown. This is inspired by a professional coach, a professional strength coach who wrote an article entitled, Are You Out of Order? Don't you hate that sign when you pull over, you have to go, you're traveling on the road and you go to the rest stop and the bathroom sign says out of order. And why is it out of order? Well, probably because they didn't maintain it. And when you don't maintain something, guess what? It breaks down. And the same thing goes for our bodies. Maintenance prevents breakdown. That doesn't mean it's going to be perfect, but the human body requires maintenance. It requires a little time and a little money. Okay? It requires building habits and priorities to help maintain the body so the body can function well, so you can be healthier, so your body can function well and reach its potential on every level. Not just health. Health is just a part of it. How you feel is a part of it. It's just a small part of it. We know we're supposed to eat well, move well, rest well, think well. But the most neglected aspect of human maintenance is, yes, guess what? The spine. Because you've only been told that chiropractic is just about back pain and neck pain, and maybe you heard it helps allergies or ear infections. Now, those things very well go away under chiropractic care, but that's only a small part of it. If you're using it for that, it's just a small part of it, because this is what it is. The nerves that come out of the spine control every single thing you do every second of your life. The brain, the spinal cord, the nerve system control and coordinate all the functions of the body, directly and indirectly. And the spine requires maintenance. When these bones get out of alignment, we're talking millimeters, they get out of alignment, they alter the holes and they put pressure on the system, causing interference in the system, altering the messages from the brain onto the body. So the body is not going to reach its potential in the different areas of life. Can you live to 100 years old and not get adjusted? Of course. You can live, some people live to 100 years old and smoke. But what about the quality of life? If you're going to live a long life, live quality years. And that's one thing I can guarantee about adopting chiropractic as a habit, coming in weekly and getting your spine checked and adjusted, is the quality of your life will improve in some way. I can't predict what area, but I just know it will. Because when the brain is communicating to the body through the nerves and the bones are moving better, there's less pressure on the system, and the system is going to work better. And every potential that you have is going to be higher. Okay, that's it for today. The Chiropractic Minutes.